now people come up to me and say, oh, I saw you on Netflix, so it's that impact. I think it's been, an amazing journey. And I'm still super grateful to the universe, to God, that I'm part of that.
So how does it feel to be a part of the film The Secret that it's impacted, from what I understand, over 500 million people or something like that?
Yeah.
How's it feel?
It's, it's an honor to be part of it, right? So I do believe that it was the right information at the right time. Yeah. So I think Rhonda really got that information through, and then she attracted amazing people to be in the movie and also in the book, The Secret. And, for me, it was part of my journey that I already anticipated, since I was 15. And once that happened, it's been a mind-blowing journey for me to see people knowing the book, the movie. I think the moment it really hit me when I was teaching in Bratislava in Slovakia, East Europe, and there were 600 women in the room, and I thought, I don't know if they know me, right? So I was asking, how many of you have seen the movie The Secret? And so all the hands went up. And I asked, okay, we'll ask a second question. How many of you have not seen or read the book, The Secret? And 4 hands went up. And that was in 2013. And I was like,
I'm sorry to interrupt you. Was this in the Hotel Kiev?
No. No, it was in the Hilton Hotel in Bratislava. But the whole point was, that's when it hit me. Like, what an impact that this book went all the way over the world. And then I was teaching in Kazakhstan for 3,000 women. Wow. And it was the same thing. Like, perhaps 20 people hadn't seen The Secret, right? So that's when it hit me, like, what an impact that we have made, and continuing making it, because now people come up to me and said, oh, I saw you on Netflix, so it's that impact. I think it's been, an amazing journey. And I'm still super grateful to the universe, to God, that I'm part of that.
How did people in Kazakhstan know about it? Like, how many languages was it translated into?
It was translated in 37 languages.
Wow.
That I know of. Yes. Yeah. So that's one of the first things they did with the DVD, that each money that came in, they put it back into translations. Yeah. Wow. And so that's how it actually went so big, because they reused the income to do translations, right? And so I have, like, I think 20 DVDs in 20 different languages, and I myself speak it.
That's funny.
But it's really, I think that was a genius marketing strategy for them. Yeah.